During a mid-year review of the Support for the Criminal Justice System program on Wednesday at the Orchard Conference Center, the progress made under the program was lauded by country representative of the Inter-American Development Bank, Sophie McConnell. The progress was also noted by Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs, Anil Nandlal, who became involved with the almost 4-year running project in August 2020. Reporting on the progress, project manager and former permanent secretary of the Ministry of Legal Affairs, Indira Ananjit, said the team has been making headway in accomplishing the objectives of encouraging alternative sentencing, although reducing the use of pretrial detention or remand seems to be an uphill task. Currently, some 45% of the persons incarcerated are in pretrial detention or remand, as it is popularly called. That figure is up from 38% in 2015, although this project is geared towards reducing that number. However, only 9% of those incarcerated are listed as repeat offenders, down from 13% recorded in 2015, and 1.6% would account for persons on probation, up from the 0.89% recorded in 2015. Although the figures regarding the persons on remand are in stark contrast to the objectives of the program, Ananjit believes there is still much to be celebrated. Among the achievements is the establishment of a legal aid clinic. Ananjit said already some 122 cases were handled, with 77 completed and 57 dismissed.
The SCJS contracted Synergy International Systems and PricewaterhouseCoopers Advisory Services to develop and implement a case management system network. And the goal is to allow key justice sector institutions to input and access live data, share information, and generate reports which will assist in the disposition of cases expeditiously and decision-making by officers within the justice sector.
There was also the establishment of the first ever Law Reform Commission headed by Justice B.S. Roy and the implementation of the first ever integrated case management system. Some 140 persons were also trained as certified restorative justice practitioners, and another 50 senior justice practitioners trained in leadership development. Meanwhile, work is ongoing to develop a cadre of specially trained probation officers, with renovations completed at the police prosecutors' offices at Brickdam and in Berbice. Ananjit also reported some implementation challenges.
Of the 4 pieces of legislation slated for review and revision, only 2 have been completed due to lengthy delays in completing the stakeholder review process. So that's one of the challenges we have on the program. Public awareness, despite the sensitization of key stakeholders, the general public is still largely unaware of the project and its direct benefits for them in accessing justice, such as legal aid and restorative justice.
Guyana's prison population rate is significantly higher than the world's average. The over-reliance by the criminal justice system and the overuse of pretrial detention contribute to prison overcrowding. In the coming months, initiatives under the SCJS program will continue to seek to reduce prison overcrowding by decreasing the use of pretrial detention and increasing the use of alternative sentencing in the country. For the newsroom, Kurt Campbell.